Hi, I'm Elizabeth. I've lived in this house since 2008 with my husband. My daughter no longer lives with us. She has moved out quite a number of years actually ago, so they're not consuming any electricity. But I decided I wanted to go solar, and I'm quite happy that I have gone with solar because it's reduced my electricity bill considerably. I've gone from 130 a month down to about 38 a month. I checked out different companies for what they offered, and solar came up to be sounding very positive for me. I have no regrets at having gone with Solar Incorporate because they were very attentive, kept me informed of every step and process, and it doesn't matter who I dealt with at Solar. They were all very helpful and very positive, which I really appreciated. If I had any questions, I could pick up the phone and call or send an email, and they were quite prompt at answering and any questions I had. You know, I was concerned for the environment as well, and this is why I went with solar energy versus a generator. Even our own, like this past fall has been absolutely amazing. We've never had so many hot days in November, October as we have, and it seems to be getting longer and longer every year. When they came to do the assessment, they give you a sheet of paper and you have to answer some questions on it, and it went very, very smooth. They make recommendations of what all you can do to improve the quality of air and heat and coolness in your house. Oh, absolutely, I would recommend it because we have to save the environment. Initially, when I looked into solar a number of years ago, there were a lot more trees and it was blocking out the sun, and so they did not recommend that I go with it. Well, financially it helps. Priority number one, I would imagine, for anybody is looking at the financial, at the cost and cost recovery. But overall, I think I'm doing my part at saving the planet. Something that would be of importance for most people, depending on where you live, because where I've had them before in Costa Rica, we lived in a rural community where there was a lot of dust in that. So I had to have the panels hosed down and cleaned every year for sure. Also, if you have a lot of trees or leaves, they go through the net because so I forgot to mention that they mentioned because they have a kind of a grill all around it so that squirrels can't get in or animals can't get in and damage the wiring or anything like that. So the leaves get in though, and it might be annoying to some people that, hey, how do I get the leaves out? I was very fortunate this year because we had a lot of big wind and that blew most of them away, but I think you'd have to get up there with a blower and blow them out. Now I'm getting reasonable or more than reasonable electricity bills every month. So I'm quite happy with that.